Hello everyone. In the last unit of statistics, you will understand the meaning and other details of index numbers. I'm sure you must have observed changes in output, changes in prices, changes in income, changes in supply, and so on. In order to know the extent of changes over a period of time, index numbers are used. So let us understand about its meaning, its uses and limitations in this video. Hello everyone. Welcome to our EcoStudies channel. I am Poonam Vora, your instructor from Egypt, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are introducing series for our subjects to give you an insight of our offered courses on our website that will help you prepare for CBSE and CUET examinations. But before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of my free valuable videos. And if you like the content, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Now let's get started. Hello everyone. In this last unit of statistics titled Index Numbers, we shall begin with the meaning, uses and limitations of index numbers. So let's begin with its meaning first. Let us begin index numbers with its meaning. Index numbers are the devices for measuring differences in the magnitude of a group of related variables. This definition is given by Croxton and Cordon. That means this is used to display changes in a variable or group of related variables through time, space, or other factors. Here comparisons can be made between elements like people, hospitals, schools, etc. So it tracks changes in the values of the variables such as cost of living or volume of production in various industries or the prices of a list of defined commodities and so on. And these are expressed in terms of percentages, and for comparison purposes a base period is always required as it can compare various elements. It is known as a barometer of economic activity. Let's begin with its uses. With index numbers, it is possible to study the trends of different phenomena and to formulate any policy. There is a need for a base or trend. So it is an important tool for government or non-government organizations to formulate various policies, whether it is fiscal, monetary, trade policy, wage policy, and so on. Index numbers also enable us to find changes in the price level, that is the value of money or purchasing power of money over some time. And this helps to assess inflation or deflation in an economy. Index numbers like cost inflation index help measure money's purchasing power at different times between regions. And such analysis allows the government to frame suitable policies for maintaining or raising the people's living standards. Accordingly, employers can adjust the salaries and allowances of employees. Hence, it is a ready reckoner for business planning because important decisions in business relating to production, relating to cost of production, relating to market trends can easily be taken. Index numbers are also useful in studying the trend of foreign trade and aid in determining patterns in exports, imports, prices, foreign exchange rate, and several other occurrences. So it helps to forecast the future trends, which is very crucial for any business or production activity. Hence, index number is considered as an economic barometer. Like barometer measures atmospheric pressure, economic barometer indicates fluctuations in the general conditions of the country. It is able to measure the pulse of the economy. So, index numbers are useful for consumers, for manufacturers, and for government because they help in making decisions relating to consumption, relating to production, relating to distribution, and relating to policy formulation. Index numbers, if useful, has limitations too. Let us discuss some of the limitations. Index numbers estimate relative changes only and cannot speak the truth as they are only approximate indicators. Besides, they represent the generalized truth based on the overall average of the items. So it does not apply to specific units. Index numbers do not consider every item and are based on the sample items. Thus, in the case of an adequate sample or a sample selected through a faulty process, there will be inaccurate results. So, the coverage is quite limited. Index numbers do not pay attention to the qualitative changes in the product while constructing the price or the production index. An increase in price due to the improvement in the quality of the product is neglected in the index numbers. So there is a possibility of manipulations in index number, and manipulations can be made in the selection of a particular base year, a particular group of commodities, a particular set of prices, and so on. Index numbers may not be hence perfect if wrong base year has been taken, or wrong formula has been used, or wrong weightage has been taken, or wrong sample of items have been taken. In all these cases, results would be misleading. I hope you have understood various aspects, whether it is uses or limitations of index numbers, and you are in a position to now critically analyze the usage of index numbers. So with this, the explanation gets over, and next time we shall discuss problems in the construction of index numbers. Till then, keep reading and keep learning. Thank you. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just Rs 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to EcoStudies channel. Also, drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.